Welcome to this tutorial on number formatting in Excel. Today, we're going to explore various ways to format numbers, dates, and times, currency, and then we'll dive into custom formatting. Let's start with basic number formatting. When you enter a number in Excel, it appears in the default general format. You can change this to other formats like number, which adds decimal places and thousands separators. To apply these formats, simply select your cells, go to the Home tab, and choose the desired format from the number group. If you would like to increase or decrease the number of decimal places, you can click the buttons below the drop-down menu, with the left button to increase and the right button to decrease the number of decimals. You can also click the comma symbol to enable the thousands separator. We also have percentages. When you format a number as a percentage in Excel, it multiplies the number by 100 and adds a percent sign. For example, if you enter 0.25 and format it as a percentage, it will display as 25%. Next, let's discuss dates and times. Excel treats dates as serial numbers starting from January 1st, 1900. So, the number 1 represents the 1st of January, 1900. Each subsequent day increases the serial number by 1. For example, the number 2 represents the 2nd of January, 1900. Time, on the other hand, is represented as a decimal part of a day. For example, 0.5 represents 12 p.m. because it's halfway through the day. Now, let's look at the currency and accounting formats. Both formats are used to represent monetary values, but they have some differences. The currency format places the currency symbol directly next to the number and allows for negative numbers to be displayed in various ways, such as with a minus sign or in red. The accounting format, however, aligns the currency symbols and decimal points in a column, making it easier to compare values. It also displays negative numbers in brackets. Finally, let's create a custom number format. Custom formats give you the flexibility to display numbers exactly how you want. To create a custom format, select your cells, go to the Home tab, click on the small arrow in the number group to open the Format Cells dialog box, and then go to the Custom category. For demonstration, let's format a date and time using the code DDD, space DD, space MMM, space HH semicolon, MM. Here's how it works. DDD represents the abbreviated day of the week, like Monday or Tuesday. DD represents the day of the month. MMM represents the abbreviated month, like Jan or February. HH represents the hour in 24-hour format. MM represents the minutes. SS represents the seconds. So, if you have a cell with the value 41,525.27, which represents Sunday 8th of September, 2013, at 6:22 a.m., applying the custom format DDDDD, MMM, HHMMSS, will display it as Sun 08, Sep, 6 hours and 22 minutes. That's all for this tutorial on number formatting in Excel. Experiment with these different formats to make your data more readable and meaningful. Thanks for watching.